Hey guys, so I was getting a little bit of the Diff fluid coming out of my breather hose. So what I did was I picked up one of these neat little oil catch cans, and it's anodized blue to match my Jeep, which I thought was pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install this on the Jeep, and hopefully this will solve any and all issues with the Diff fluid leaking out of the breather hose. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take the nipple, and on the catch can it's marked in and out. This is directional, and make sure you put the O-ring so it don't leak. They do come with O-rings. So the nipple is the smallest nipple in the pack. They're not labeled what size they are, but just know the smallest nipple in the pack will fit the Jeep JK and probably other years as well. Breather hose. So I'm just going to take a pair of pliers and just snug this up a bit. Try to be careful. I don't want to mar up the anodized coating because it actually looks pretty cool. So this is going to go on the side that says out. And again, don't forget the O-ring, the little rubber O-ring. Otherwise, this stuff would probably leak. So I went ahead and I picked up some just fuel line, and you can get that from anywhere. AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, they all have it. It's just fuel line, and all I did was pick up about 3 feet of it, and I extended my breather hose for the front diff. So I already did that. The breather hose for the front diff is already extended, and it's just up near the brake lines, or where the brake fluid reservoir is. Alright, so I went ahead and I mounted the catch can, and again I just, mounted it right next to the brake fluid reservoir here. And this is just the breather hose, and this is the inside, and this is the outside. What I am going to do is I'm going to get a little bit more breather hose because I ran out, and extend this and kind of loop it and just zip tie it here to one of the brake lines, and I think that will pretty much do it. I'm hoping this is going to catch, any oil that is, or I should say any diff fluid that is coming up through this hose from the diff heating up and the gas is expanding. It pushes a little bit of diff fluid up this hose. So what I'm doing is I'm hoping this is going to catch everything, and it doesn't leak a lot, or I should say the diff doesn't push a lot of fluid out of the hose, but over time it does kind of get over everything. It makes a little bit of a mess, so hopefully this is going to work out for me, and I think it will, because I mean it's an oil catch can. It's, this should work. And what's nice about this is it has a little breather that sits on the top of it. It also has a little dipstick tube that'll tell you if the catch can is full, and the catch can, the bottom half, just unscrews, and if there's any fluid in there, you just dump it. Alright, so I think this looks pretty nice. So far I'm pretty happy with it. It seems to be a good quality product. I guess we'll see how it holds up over time. So I'll have a link to this in the description. I just purchased this off Amazon. I want to say it was right around 35 bucks, but wasn't expensive, and you know, for $35, if this solves any, you know, little bit of diff fluid residue getting, you know, over the on everything, then I'll be happy with it. So this should work. It's an oil catch can. I'm sure it's going to do its job. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. Guys, this is a brand new YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe. Again, the channel is brand new, so as long as everybody likes the videos, I'll keep doing them.